Electrical system design drawings for commercial buildings are essential blueprints that ensure safety, efficiency, and code compliance in electrical installations. These detailed plans outline the layout and connections of power distribution, lighting, outlets, switches, and equipment, tailored to the unique needs of commercial spaces. By incorporating load calculations, panel schedules, and wiring diagrams, they provide a clear roadmap for electricians and engineers to execute reliable and scalable electrical systems. These drawings are critical for planning, permitting, construction, and future maintenance of the building's infrastructure. This drawing shows a key floor plan of a commercial building with stores A, B1, C1, C2, a central hallway, men's and women's restrooms, an elevator, a storage room, and a staircase. This plan provides a clear layout for movement and organization within the building. This drawing shows the detailed floor plan of the same commercial building with precise dimensions for all spaces. This plan provides a clear layout for movement, accessibility, and utility, ensuring efficient use of space and compliance with building standards. This drawing illustrates the electrical wiring layout of a commercial building, showing the placement of lights, outlets, switches, and circuits across stores, hallways, restrooms, and utility spaces. It includes detailed wiring paths, panelboard connections, and labeled electrical components for efficient power distribution. This drawing shows the electrical wiring layout for the same commercial building, including stores, restrooms, a hallway, and utility areas. It details the placement of outlets, lights, switches, circuits, and wiring connections, illustrating the power distribution and control points for the building. This drawing displays a table of electrical symbols used in design plans, including lights, ceiling, wall, fluorescent, outlets, single, duplex, GFCI, waterproof, switches, standard, dimmer, smoke detectors, service panels, and telecom outlets. It serves as a reference for interpreting electrical layouts. This drawing shows a panelboard schedule for a 200-amp, 3-phase electrical system. It lists circuit numbers, descriptions, for example, lighting, receptacles, HVAC, OCPD ratings, and load calculations, in VA, for each phase, A, B, C, ensuring balanced distribution and compliance with design standards. This drawing shows a panelboard worksheet detailing circuit information, including load descriptions, quantities, total loads, in VA, circuit ratings, conductor sizes, and ampacity adjustments. It outlines whether loads are continuous or non-continuous, modified load calculations, and adjustment factors for conductors in the same raceway. Each circuit is evaluated for compliance with NEC standards, ensuring proper load balancing and safety. This worksheet is crucial for designing and verifying the electrical system for efficiency, reliability, and adherence to code requirements. This drawing is a feeder load calculation worksheet for a commercial building. It breaks down various electrical loads, including general lighting, receptacle outlets, dryer receptacles, HVAC service, appliances, and motor loads. The table details calculated load values, in VA, continuous and non-continuous loads, connected loads, and adjustments based on NEC requirements. It also includes total load summaries, feeder sizing, and ampacity requirements to ensure proper conductor and feeder design for safe and efficient electrical distribution. This drawing outlines a step-by-step procedure for sizing ungrounded and grounded conductors, and raceways for feeder circuits. It provides detailed calculations based on NEC standards, including determining minimum feeder ampacity, selecting conductor sizes, adjusting for temperature and future load considerations, and determining conduit size. The table also includes references to NEC tables for current protection device ratings, cross-sectional areas, and conductor sizing, ensuring proper design and compliance for safe and efficient feeder installation. This drawing is a panelboard schedule for Shop B, showing a 200-amp, 3-phase electrical system. It includes circuit numbers, descriptions, for example, lighting, receptacles, HVAC, and multi-outlet assemblies, OCPD ratings, and load values, in VA, distributed across phases, A, B, and C. The schedule provides total load calculations for each phase, ensuring proper load balancing and compliance with electrical standards. It also reserves spare circuits for future use and indicates ampere calculations for connected loads. This drawing is a panelboard worksheet for Shop B. detailing circuit-specific information such as loads, quantities, total load, VA, modified load, conductor sizes, ampacity, and NEC compliance. It includes calculations for continuous and non-continuous loads, adjustment factors for conductors in raceways, and overcurrent protection device, OCPD, ratings. The worksheet ensures proper sizing of conductors and safe load distribution across the electrical system while adhering to NEC standards for efficient and reliable operation. This drawing is a feeder load calculation worksheet for Shop B. It provides detailed load calculations, including general lighting, receptacle outlets, HVAC service, appliances, and motor loads. The worksheet categorizes loads as continuous, non-continuous, or connected, with calculations for total load and feeder ampacity based on NEC standards. It also includes adjustments for the largest motor load and heat load, ensuring proper sizing of conductors and compliance with safety requirements. This worksheet is critical for designing a balanced and efficient electrical feeder system. This drawing outlines the step-by-step procedure for sizing ungrounded and grounded conductors and raceways for feeder circuits in Shop B. It includes calculations for minimum feeder ampacity, adjustments for temperature, and future load considerations. The steps follow NEC standards, referencing tables for conductor sizes, OCPD, overcurrent protection device, ratings, and conduit cross-sectional areas. The procedure ensures proper selection of conductor and raceway sizes for efficient and safe electrical system operation. This drawing is a panelboard schedule for Shop C, detailing the circuit distribution for a 200 amp, 3-phase electrical system. It includes circuit numbers, descriptions, for example, lighting, appliance receptacles, HVAC units, overcurrent protection device, OCPD, ratings and load values in VA for each phase, A, B, C. The table ensures balanced load distribution, calculates total load per phase, and reserves spare circuits for future expansion. It provides a comprehensive overview to ensure compliance with NEC standards and safe system design. This drawing is a panelboard worksheet for Shop C, providing detailed circuit-level information for the electrical system. It includes data such as circuit numbers, descriptions, for example, lighting, receptacles, HVAC units, OCPD, overcurrent protection device, ratings, allowable ampacity, conductor sizes, minimum ampacity, and load calculations in Virginia. The worksheet also categorizes loads as continuous or non-continuous and includes modified load values based on NEC requirements. It ensures proper conductor sizing, load distribution, and compliance with electrical standards for safe and efficient operation. This drawing is a feeder load calculation worksheet for Shop C. It details the load breakdown, including general lighting, receptacles, HVAC service, and motor loads, categorized into continuous and non-continuous types. The worksheet provides calculations for total connected load, adjusted load, and feeder ampacity following NEC guidelines. It also incorporates factors like the largest motor load and heat load for accurate feeder sizing, ensuring compliance with safety and efficiency standards. This drawing provides a step-by-step procedure for sizing ungrounded and grounded conductors and raceways for the feeder system in Shop C. It outlines calculations for minimum feeder ampacity, conductor sizing, and adjustments based on temperature and future load requirements. References to NEC tables ensure compliance for overcurrent protection devices, OCPD, conductor cross-sectional areas, and conduit dimensions. The worksheet ensures proper conductor selection, efficient electrical distribution, and adherence to safety and code standards. A comprehensive set of drawings and worksheets are used for design and construction of the electrical systems for commercial buildings. It covers everything from layout plans and wiring diagrams to detailed panelboard schedules, load calculations, and conductor sizing procedures. Each drawing provides essential insights for ensuring safe, efficient, and NEC-compliant electrical installations across different areas of the building. Here is the list of all the drawings used. Key plan for commercial building. Shows the layout of stores, restrooms, a hallway, storage rooms, an elevator, and a staircase. Floor plan for commercial building. A detailed layout with dimensions for all spaces, including stores, restrooms, and utility areas. Electrical wiring layout for commercial building. Details the placement of outlets, lights, switches, and wiring connections for the entire building. Electrical symbols reference table. Provides a comprehensive key for interpreting electrical symbols used in design plans. Panelboard schedule for all shops within the commercial building. Lists circuits, OCPD ratings, and load distribution across phases. Panelboard worksheet for all shops within the commercial building. Details circuit-specific information, including load calculations, conductor sizes, and ampacity. Feeder load worksheet for all shops within the commercial building. Includes load breakdown, continuous and non-continuous loads, and feeder ampacity calculations. Feeder conductor sizing worksheet, sizing steps for all shops within the commercial building. A step-by-step guide for sizing conductors and raceways, including NEC references.
In a world full of noise, we're searching for the sound, chasing shadows of the answer.